My double glazed kitchen window is fogging up. Here's how I remove the glass. So the first thing I need to do is to get the glazing rubber out. To get this out, I'm using just a paint scraper and a flathead screwdriver. So the trick here is to push the filler knife down between the PVC window and the rubber, and to push it in only about 10 millimeters at a time. What you want to do is prise the rubber up, but not get the filler knife or the paint scraper caught under the glass. So another handy tip is to start somewhere near the middle of the window. That gives you a little bit of room because the rubber is flexible, and if it's not pinched in the corners, it's easier to get it up. Once you have enough above the surface, hold it there with something, and if you can get your fingers on it, then you can just gently pull up on it, and that will release the rubber. The trick then is not to break the rubber, not to tear it. So just go to the corners and stop there. So there you have it. Grab both sides and pull, and that's it. So I find it handier if you can pull on both sides of the rubber in the corner. It just makes it easier for getting it out. Now the glass and the rubber lock that glazing bead into position. So what I have to do is push the glass back a bit and then push the glazing bead back towards the glass position now. And I do that by pushing in the paint scraper and just levering up a little bit. Make a bit of room, get another one in, hold it in position, and work it along, a bit like taking a tube or a tire off a bicycle. Just make a bit of space and then work that space. And here I am sliding it along, and it's just opening it up for me. And just work it handy. You know, I'm actually throwing out, or I'm getting rid of the glass that's in this at the moment, so it doesn't matter if I break it. But, you know, it may be that you're trying to get the glass out and not break it. So you can see I've got a bit of room here. And that's it. Right end is up. I'm just going to work it back to the left corner now. Working on the side again. Same story. Just spring it out a little bit. Hold it with one filler knife. Prise it out a little bit. Little by little. Second one in. I have a bit of movement on it now, so I'm just going to pull it. The more you get out, the easier it is. And that's it, all the way up to the corner. Out it comes. Do the other side and then the top. So look, you can see it. Filler knife in, paint scraper in, get a bit of room on it. Now some of these you can tap with a mallet and drive the bead back in, and there's plenty of room, but in my case there's not an awful lot of room between it and the glass, and it just won't behave. So this is how I'm getting it out. So just work it out nice and gently. Same on the top. Bring it down. Now the problem with the top one is when it comes out, there's nothing else holding the glass in. If you move away, or if there's wind through the house or something, you could lose the double glaze unit. So you got to keep an eye on it and make sure it doesn't fall out on top of you. Now I'm just springing this. There you go. Got it down. It all happens pretty quick then. And I'm just gently teasing it along. Now I'm holding the glass, making sure it doesn't come out on top of me. And I've got my suction cup on it. I haven't cleaned this up at all. That's what it looks like on the inside. All the rubber is out. The glazing rubber on the inside sometimes can leave a bit in the corners. And what you're going to have to do is remove it so that it's nice and flat for the glass to go back in. So that's it. If you liked the video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Good luck.